Welcome to Customizing BricsCAD. My name is Ralph Grabowski, and it's my pleasure to show you how to make BricsCAD work the way you work. When placing text in drawings, we sometimes need to use special characters. I'll give the example of something like this: 25 degrees plus or minus 2.5 degrees. Now, it's normal to use symbols for that, and I suppose it's possible to dig out the symbols out of the font, but BricsCAD fortunately makes it easier to do that through the use of special symbols, and that's what this video is about. So let's back up and see how we can do the same specification using special symbols. I'm going to rewrite that specification using special symbols like this. First of all, we go 25, and then from the text formatting toolbar, I'm going to choose the special symbol button, click on it, and choose degrees. And there we have degrees. A space, and then the plus or minus symbol, 2.5, and finally, once again, choose the degree symbol. When I click OK, we have the special characters in place in the drawing. Now I can do the same thing in the text command, which is operated at the command line down here, but it's not quite as simple as with mtext. So I'm going to start typing, but instead of right-clicking, because I can't right-click during this text command, I have to enter in special code so that BricsCAD knows that I want the degree symbol and not something else. So I'm going to do 2% signs and then the D. You can see on the screen there that it's interpreted the double percent sign D combination as a degree symbol. For the plus or minus, I'm going to do %% P. Then we have that 2.5% D for the rest of the text. One more enter and we're done. Now you may have thought that those %% was a lot of work, and that's why it's good to use the mtext command where you can just insert the symbols. But even in the mtext command, it silently translates those menu picks and turns them into the %% characters we see right over here in the properties dialog box. Now over here I've got a list of all the special characters BricsCAD can include, and here's a handy table for that shows you what they mean. A little note that the omega and the ohm symbol are the same. They are the omega symbol. I want to leave you with a couple tips. One of them is in the mtext command. These special characters work with any font, so I'm going to switch to a few fonts here, such as an SHX font. You can see the degree and plus or minus symbol still exists. Switch to a Japanese font, they're still there. And let's see, switch to Bank Gothic, they're still there, so you have no fear in losing those characters if you switch to another font. The other tip I want to give you is that you can enter in any ASCII character by typing %% and then the number, such as, well, let's try 060. And when I click OK, you can see that it's the less than symbol. Here's a copy of the ASCII table, so you can see how the various numbers apply to which characters. I need to emphasize that this %% 3-digit number, first of all, has to be a 3-digit number, such as 040, and secondly, it only applies to text placed with the text command, as I've shown here. I trust you enjoyed learning how to make BricsCAD work the way you work. For more on customizing BricsCAD, check out the ebook.
Download the free trial version of BricsCAD at www.bricsys.com and check it out for yourself.